In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the whiteboard for online live classes using Google Meet. This handy tool can really enhance your teaching experience, making your virtual lessons more interactive and engaging for your students. To get started, the first thing you need to do is access Google Meet. You have a couple of options here. You can either type meet.google.com into your browser, or you can open the Google Meet app on your device. Both methods will get you to the interface you need to join or set up meetings as required. If you're new to Google Meet, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This helps ensure everything runs smoothly. Once you're on the Google Meet platform, the next step is to join a meeting. This could be a class you're teaching or any scheduled meeting you're attending. Joining a meeting is quite intuitive. Simply click on the scheduled meeting or enter the meeting code, if needed, and you'll find yourself connected with your participants. Now that you're inside the Google Meet, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll find the activities icon. Depending on your browser or app version, this might look like 3 dots or various shapes. By clicking on this icon, you're opening up a range of utilities that can add more depth and functionality to your meetings. Among the options that pop up, you'll want to select the collaborative whiteboard. This feature is truly a game changer for online classes, as it allows you to sketch, write notes, and explain concepts visually while interacting with participants in real time. After selecting the collaborative whiteboard, your next action should be to click on Start Whiteboard. This will initiate a fresh session, ready for your input. It's essentially a blank slate where you can start drawing, writing, or brainstorming ideas together. This platform provides an excellent space to visualize certain topics, break down complex ideas, or even allow students to engage directly with the lesson. Once the collaborative whiteboard is open, you have the option to share access with your students or meeting participants. This is done by simply sharing the link or ensuring they have permission to edit. Sharing access is fundamental for collaborative work, allowing everyone to contribute, annotate, and learn together more dynamically. And there you have it. We've covered the entire process of using a whiteboard for online live classes in Google Meet. By following these steps, you can create a more interactive classroom environment that benefits both you and your students.